So now let's take a look at the EU RoHS directive and the UK RoHS regulations and try to evaluate them and compare them and identify where they diverge. So let's go through some of the different elements of the two regulations and see how they align. So when we look at the scope, we can see that although the wording is not identical, when we read the definition of EEE, electrical and electronic equipment, and we read what dependent on electric currents and electromagnetic fields means in those regulations, we can see that they have the exact same scope. The UK RoHS regulation adds the spare parts scope into the scope section. However, that is somewhere else in the EU regulation, however they apply. So these are in alignment. They're exactly the same. So what that means, if your product is out of scope for EU RoHS today, it's also out of scope for UK RoHS. And if you are in scope for EU RoHS, then the product is also in scope for UK RoHS. So we don't need to do any separate scoping for UK.
Learn more by viewing the full-length video online at greensofttech.com/videos. Plus, learn about our environmental regulation solutions online at greensofttech.com.